Hello lovely people! Guys, I bought a microscope. How cool is that? I was thinking a lot on how to do this video. To be honest with you, this is the third time I'm filming this video. I got a really nice idea. I thought, hey, why don't we play a little game? I'll be showing you stuff under the microscope and you'll have to guess what they are. And you might be thinking, yeah, that's easy. No, it's not. I thought we can make these kind of videos in different categories. Today's category, makeup products. Let's see how many you can get wrong. Right. You can write your answers down in the comments as you're watching this video, and later I will reveal all of the products. I'm gonna show you what they are, how they look, and everything. Alright, let's see what we're gonna see. Look at my little microscope. It also has a light. Oh. Number 1. What is this, you guys? What are we looking at? We can see that those things are shaped like a stop sign. Most of them are gold and copper, and then we have green. This looks like a party Green was not invited to, but it showed up anyways. Looks pretty fun. So what do you think that this is? Number 2. Ooh, I'm gonna try to confuse you guys, okay? I'm gonna try to make this as challenging as possible. So think smart. Think of the way I would think and then do it the exact opposite way. I hope that made it clear. You want me to give you a little hint? You put that on your face. What? I'm just trying to help.
What am I supposed to do with that information?
Number 3. Oh my god, this is so hairy. This reminds me of my legs in the winter. What? You've never seen a hairy leg before? Want me to show you one? The shape is definitely a huge hint. So don't say I'm not helping, okay? Okay, number 4. I'm gonna give you guys a hint. I've been using this product every single time I do my makeup for the past couple of months. I've been using it for months. And you can see where I hit the pan there. Look for the keywords. I'm actually wearing it right now. So, am I giving up too much? I'm trying to be as helpful as I can without ruining the game, okay? Number 5. Wow, that's fluffy. That's moist, probably like really sticky as well. This can be so confusing because it looks enormous. It's not that big, you guys. It's not that big. Think small. Think small. You can see that there's some sparkles here and there. Number 6. Oh my god, what am I looking at? This is my first time looking at this product under a microscope, and let me tell you, this was not what I expected to see, okay? What is this? There is so much to see in there. This looks like a piece of chocolate I accidentally dropped on the carpet, and then my cat saw it. Meow. Got excited. Meow. And started playing with it. You know how they do.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
And this is how the chocolate looked like after playing with the cat. Someone needs to vacuum the carpets. Just saying. Maybe if we zoom out a little. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. Oh, this is revealing too much. Now it looks like a Christmas tree that got dragged through the mud. And we can see a few sparkles here and there. Those are the leftovers of the Christmas spirit. Number 7. Oh my god. Number 7 is horrifying. You guys will be shocked when I tell you what is this. I think this is easy to figure out, but I'm gonna give you a little hint anyways. This was actually the first product I've ever used on my face. Not this particular one, but you know, the kind of product. Yeah, that's a makeup product. That's a makeup product. It looks like death. We use this to beautify ourselves. How is that even possible? I can only think of pain when I'm looking at this. This microscope is ruining my relationship with makeup. Oh, look at that highlighter. Blinding. That's not the moon. I bought a microscope, not a telescope. Although this kind of gives me an idea for a different kind of video. Okay, the hint for this one is definitely the shape of this thing. And if I zoom out a little, you'll be able to see it. Okay, that's a huge hint. You guys, please get this one right. Number 9. Oh my goodness, I promise you guys we're still looking at makeup products, okay? I know what this looks like. You know what it looks like. Chocolate. It looks like chocolate. What else? This time I didn't drop it on the carpet, as you can see. Okay, let's zoom out a little. Maybe that will help a little. No, it didn't. Turn on the off-road setting, you guys. This ride is getting bumpy and muddy. Number 10. I want to do a little experiment, you guys. Okay, I want to have some fun with this one. I'll try to put this product directly on my skin. My skin is very dry. I was not expecting this. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That's beautiful. You can see those little sparkles peacefully swimming in there, crashing into each other. That was not peaceful. Guys, I think you might need to consider traffic lights. This is happening on my skin right now. The texture of my skin turned into rivers full of shimmers. The sad part is that I'm not able to see any of this with my eyes. My eyes are like, what? Sparkles? Where? I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. I can't wait to show you guys what is this. Okay, anyways, moving on. Number 11. What is that? I don't know. I mean, why am I lying? I know what it is, but I can't tell you yet. I'm gonna give you an easy number 12, okay? You guys should be able to get this one right. This is not a makeup product. It's more of like a makeup accessory. I don't know, because you're not actually applying it on your face. You're adding it to your face. Does that make any sense? Whoa, it's fake. On a more serious note, I want to give a quick warning for this next part of the video. If any of you guys have trypophobia, skip this part of the video, okay? Please skip it. This can be triggering, so I'm gonna have a timestamp. Go there, and I'll see you then. Alright, now let's look at some hoes. Not hose, hose. Why do they sound the same? This product comes in many different colors. Red is one of them. This particular one that we're looking at has a very unique appearance. The hose and the shimmers, that's unique. This is not what all the products of this kind look like. Talking about the hose, you can see how they kind of disappeared where the product was used. Seeing this area over here, you can see how they faded away. So you can kind of get an idea of the texture and the formula. I think I'm giving up too much. Number 13. This is what I was trying to warn everybody about. Okay, it looks very holy, like it's full of holes. This looks so innocent when I look at it with my eyes. But looking at it through the microscope, there's so many layers of holes. Not holes. Holes. Not hose. Oh, hold on. What's that thing over there? This kind of looks like a skull. Oh, I get those goosebumps every time. Oh my god, I want to see a goosebump under a microscope. How would I get a goosebump? We might try this in a different video. Alrighty guys, moment of truth. Whoa. Oh. Post your comment right now. No changing, no editing. I want to see what you guys guessed. Okay, so what was number 1? Well, my friends, number 1 was glitter. What else? Did you get it right? Oh my god, I'm so excited to see your comments, you guys. I knew that glitter was something like thin slices of sparkling paper, but I wasn't expecting to see that. Look how thick they look under the microscope. They kind of look like coins. You'll be surprised how rich I am in glitter coins. I have so many of them in almost every single color. I'm spending my coins to buy glitter coins. I think that it's a fair trade. Wow, check out this shot over here. You can see the texture of that tiny piece of glitter. How crazy is that? Number 2. Okay, you guys will hate me for this one. I don't know how many of you guys figured this one out, but this is actually an eyeliner, a very unusual color. I love this one. It's super cool. It kind of looks like the cream version of foil paper. I actually used that eyeliner once. You can see where I dipped my brush. But don't be mad at me, okay? I couldn't just put black gel eyeliner. It would have been way too easy. However, number 3 was actually an eyeliner. It was the applicator of an eyeliner, which, let me tell you, this eyeliner was used a lot. I barely have any product left in the tube. This used to be my favorite eyeliner. Number 4 was my contour. The microscope makes the gap between the pan and the packaging look deadly. You accidentally slip and fall in there, that's game over for you, buddy. Bye-bye. Number 5 was easy. It was lip gloss. Hairy, moist, sparkly, sticky. I'm sure that most of you guys got this one right. Number 6. Oh my god, number 6. Why I need to see this again? This was not close enough for me. I needed to get a little closer, and I noticed something. By the way, this is a brow gel. I don't know if I mentioned that. The Benefit Gimme Brow. It turns out that the bristles are actually tubes. They have a hole in the center. I thought that they were just bristles, like hair looking bristles. No, look at those tubes. They're stealing my product. There's so much product trapped in there. If I can squeeze them, so much product will come out. I'm exaggerating, these are so tiny. I'm not able to see this with my naked eye. Or with my dressed eye. We're on YouTube, no one is supposed to be naked. Oh my god, I look so smart. I look like a really fun librarian. Hey, what's up? Number 7, that terrifying thing. That's mascara. Yeah, believe it or not, you put this really closely to your eyes, like dangerously closely to your eyes. The eyes are the most sensitive part of our face, and we're just like, oh my god, I now remember times when I actually poked my eyes with the mascara wand. Oh god, it hurts thinking about it. Number 8, the moon is not a moon. It's just a white eye pencil. The microscope makes everything look so much more dramatic than it actually is. I gave you a huge hint with this one. Okay, listen. I have an idea and I don't know if it's a good one, but we're gonna try it out anyways. So why don't we look at another eye pencil, but a different color? White was interesting, but... oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Great choice of color, Danny. Great choice of color. I chose this eye pencil on purpose. I've had this pencil for years and I've only used it once. It's amazing because you can see that there are shimmers trapped in there. I can't see those with my eyes. I was probably applying that eye pencil with my waterline, but I had some shimmers in there from the look that I already had on my eyelid. So when I was applying the pencil, it kind of grabbed them and they got stuck in there. The eye pencil wanted a company, so it stole some shimmers. Can you guys see something unusual in there? Hold on a minute. I think we're gonna have an issue with this one. Can you see that white cast? It's something that kind of looks like glue. Guys, let's zoom in. There are so many of them. Oh my god, they're everywhere. This is so interesting. Hold on, I need to examine the situation. Is that... are those spikes? This thing has spikes. Spiky spikes. Oh my god, all of them have spikes. Oh, look at that one. Oh my god, that's a huge spike. Kinda looks like hair. Oh my god, buddy, it's time to pluck it. Just let it go. Look at them, they all have spikes. What are those things? And with my eyes, I see none of these. With my eyes, I just can see that the eye pencil has something like white cast on it. I've seen this white cast with other pencils I have. I've noticed that when they expire, they start developing that white cast. But I never imagined that it would look like this. It's goo with spikes. It's ready to attack. It's like it has a little sword to protect itself. Aw, that's grossly adorable. Imagine what those Sephora samples have on them. Oh my god, this is disgusting. Number 9, eyebrow pomade. The light of the microscope makes everything look so much more greasy and kind of gross in a way. I don't know why. Number 10, this was my favorite one. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this was my favorite. I took some amazing shots with this one. But this, my friends, is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Radiance Drops. If you guessed something like oil or primer maybe, I'm gonna take this as a correct answer. This looks so gorgeous under the microscope. Those shimmers peacefully swimming in there, moving around. Everything is just so peaceful. This looks like heaven. But when I look at this with my eyes, why disappoint me like that? Number 11. This was probably the easiest one. These were false lashes. Look at how thick the hairs look under the microscope. Now that I'm taking a closer look at it, I can see that one of the hairs is a little... ugh. How dare they sell me defective product like this? I'm returning this. I'm just kidding. I can't see this with my eyes. I can only see that the one lash is a little... through the microscope. I'm gonna give it a warning again. If you guys have trypophobia, skip this part of the video because you'll be seeing some of that footage again. So I'm gonna have a timestamp. I'll see you guys there. Number 12. I gave you a lot of hints with this one. This thing that has all of those holes all over it and the shimmers, that's actually lipstick. Look how it looks. It has a very unique packaging. The way that they design it is also very unique, and I thought that it would have been interesting to look at it through the microscope. Honestly, it didn't disappoint. Number 13. I don't know how I feel about this one. Ugh, it looks horrifying up close, but when I zoom out, you can see that it's just a cushion foundation. I know who will be the main character in my nightmares tonight. Cushion foundation. If there is one thing you learn from this video, it's probably that let those old crusty makeup products that you had in your makeup bag for a little too long, just let them go. Okay, throw them away. Don't put that on your beautiful face. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I didn't show you the nasty stuff. I found so many things in my makeup products, especially in the ones that have already expired. Oh god, I didn't want to show you this. Let me tell you, looking things through a microscope, you discover how dirty things are. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then why don't you go ahead and check out this one over here. I tried following 150 million views drawing tutorial. It has way more views now. Or you can check out this one over here. I tested 1 ingredient recipes. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!